Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I have got a lot of cleaning to do in my bathroom. Do you ever have that one room or that one project that you just keep putting off and putting off till it gets to the point where you cannot put it off anymore? Well, that's today. I'm having to not put it off anymore and get it done. I do not like cleaning the shower and it's gotten away from me. It's gross and I've got to get it cleaned up today. So I hope this video brings you some motivation. Next I'm going to be using today, I'm going to be using the Kaboom and the OxiClean Barkeeper's Friend and this Grout cleaner. It's a Grout cleaner and brightener, so I'm going to use this on my floor on the Grout. So here's my shower. Oh, also I'm going to be using the Mr. Clean soap scum. I like using this on the glass doors. It really does a great job. So, and as you can see, the glass doors are really in rough shape. So, and even down here, I don't know if you can see it, but that's kind of, this has a little piece here, and dirt kind of gets in between, because there's another piece back there. So it's like a place that you can't, that's not open, so you have to get like a little toothbrush and get up in there. So this is not one of my favorite things to do, but this is what I'm going to tackle today. So right now I'm just going to clear off the countertops and give everything a nice wipe down. Side by side in your car in the backseat, wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me. In my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways. Okay, I'm just curious. Comment below. Let me know which household tasks that you dislike the most. Mine, I would have to say, is cleaning the shower. Another one that kind of goes hand in hand with it is whenever I do laundry. I don't mind so much as folding up and hanging up the jeans and the towels, but when it comes to t-shirts and socks and things like that, I'm not a big fan of. The cleaner I'm using is the Kaboom. You spray it on and it's like it's a blue color and then it changes to white and then you just kind of wipe it off or scrub it off. So I think it does a really good job, and I like the smell isn't overpowering like a lot of cleaners. I will be alright, never could it bite, but somehow you make me change, like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds. Okay, right now I am using the Mr. Clean soap scum eraser, and I tell you what, that soap scum is built up on this glass door and it is doing a fantastic job removing it.
Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it bite, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you.
I'm putting up Justin's hair products. He's the one who mainly uses the shower. I use the other bathroom a lot. And with his curly hair, he has a lot of different hair products. The same lady that cuts my hair and styles it also does Justin's. And I get so tickled. Well, and she's a really good friend of ours, but whenever I go in to have my hair, she's like, "You are so easy, Lisa." She said, when Justin comes in, he is so particular, and it's like, oh, just a little bit here and there, and it's just, we laugh at him. It's just so funny.
One thought, and we break. Airborne, as we face misconceptions, picture perfect. A balanced blend and some pretend. In and out, on and out.
In the near future, this item here is going to go, and I'm going to put some shelves up over the toilet. And I also want to remove my towel rack and put a couple hooks in there to hang the towels on. So I got a few projects that I want to do in this bathroom.
In and out, on and out.
This is the grout cleaner that I'm going to be using. It seems pretty simple. It says just apply it to the grout, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then wipe it off. So we'll see how it does. I'm using a little toothbrush. I just want to work it into the grout good, and then I'll let it sit.
I don't wanna save ya, don't wanna be strangers. Let me feel like you know what to do. Leave your limitations, live and go against them. Just let go and start.
I'm just using an old cloth, and I'm going to go back and just remove as much as I can. And then I have my mop ready. I'm going to mop over the floor a couple of times just to make sure I get it all up really good.
Feeling, let me help you out. Lay your love on me. Leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you spoken. 'Cause some dreams are meant to be broken. Lay your love on me. Leave your head and let your mind be free.
While I was mopping, I could hear Ollie whining. He was upset, so I wanted to go check on him. What are you trying to tell me? Ollie, what's the matter? Who's here? Somebody here? Let's go see. Who is it? It's your daddy. How did you know your daddy was here? How did you know he was here? You're so smart. You're so smart. Yeah, Ollie was in the living room and out on the front balcony. I don't know how he knew Justin was outside, but they are so smart. I guess he heard his van. Okay, well, it is finished, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it brought you some cleaning motivation to jump in there, do a task, something that maybe you really don't like doing or you've been putting off, because honestly, once I got started, it really was not that bad. It did not take me that long to get this bathroom done and get that shower clean. So, and I do want to touch on the floors, the grout cleaner. I was really impressed with it. Did a really good job cleaning it, and it was so easy to use. So if you like these kind of videos, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. Click that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other future uploads. And I really hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will be seeing you in the next video soon. Y'all take care. Bye.
Somewhere by a gated star.